Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the iPhone 15. So when I have a problem with a headphones or another Bluetooth gadget, I'm always starting from the simplest way. Just switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button and volume up. After that, turn off and turn on again your phone. Little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is in the Pyre mode, and how to activate Pyre mode you will find a manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel in Modern Gadgets. The Pyre mode starts automatically after turning on your device, but sometimes you have to push the functional button for 3 seconds for example, or just tap it for 5 times. You have to check it by yourself. And if you're sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for the devices, but it's still not for your iPhone, go to the settings and look for the general. Now tap on the transfer or reset iPhone, then choose the reset. Tap on the network settings, configure code, and tap on this button again. After that, look again for the Bluetooth device on the Bluetooth list. In the next step, you can also try to upgrade the system, so go to General and tap on the software update. If you have any, just download that and install. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory and your iPhone or another Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.